if everyone makes some room. Won't you move over and share this world? Everyone make some room. Even a dragon deserves a place, a wide open space with no reins, no chains. He wants to play games, dance with you, give him a chance to sing his song. He only wants to belong.
There's room for everyone in this world. Will everyone make some room? Spread out while Elliot gets uncurled. Fly on his back and zoom. Rock him and ride him and line up beside him. You'll see how quickly you blend. A dragon is just one more stranger in search of a friend. From an ant to a bird to a buffalo herd, let them walk and fly and roam. Step aside, let them live. It's simple to give. Like us, they just need a home. There's room for everyone in this world. Back up and make some room. Let's all move over and share this world. Everyone make some room. Just think how far out the ocean goes. The whirling wind blows shore to shore, door to door. Think of the valleys and mountaintops. The earth never stops. So deep, so high, with miles of sky, we all have part of the pie. There's room for